Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple and thanks for stopping by to watch this video. I appreciate you guys and also for watching my other videos as well. So today's recipe is all about okra or okra soup. Guys, this okra soup is super delicious. In fact, let me not talk too much. So please guys, just watch this video from the start to the end. So I have my already washed beef here. I'm going to add my salt, onions, Maggi cube, and also my thyme. These are the things I'm going to use to season it, like to cook the meat. Okay, so as you can see, the meat is already washed. I'm going to, after adding all the stuff, stir together and then add a little amount of water. It is very important to add a little amount of water to your pot, like to the meat. When boiling the meat, you don't have to add too much water so that everything will just go in. Okay, I have my fresh fish here, my turkey, and my dried fish as well. So here is my okra. I've already cut it into this size. Okay, I'm going to boil it or cook it on the fire. I'm going to let it cook a little bit. So as you can see, after letting my beef boil a little, I added my dry fish and the dried turkey as well. So I'm going to cover it, and as you can see guys, that's my okra. It is ready. So I'm going to add my fresh fish to the pot now after letting it cook for some while. Okay, so here is my red bell pepper and my Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to use this chopper to blend it. Okay, I'm not going to let it be too smooth. So guys, this is my okra. That's how it looks like. I'm going to do it later, like I'll show you what I did to it later or how I did it. So in here I'm going to remove my fish to avoid breaking, okay, like so that it will not scatter in the pot when adding my other stuff. So after doing that guys, I am going to go to the next process, and guys, trust me, this process is just wow. I have also cooked other process as well, but this process is amazing. I'm going to of course add a little water to rinse the blender, and after that I'm going to add my crayfish to the pot as well so that everything will just cook together. After doing that, I'm going to stir of course and then cover my pot. So guys, as you can see, this is my okra which is already cooked. So I'm going to use this stuff to press the okra. Okay, I don't want it to be too smooth, so this is the way I like my okra to be. This is the process I want to do, and that's what I want to achieve as well. So as you can see, you see that's how it looks like, and that's how I'm going to use it. So after letting the meat cook, I'm going to add my palm oil, also known as red oil, and cover it and let it cook again. So guys, as you can see, the palm oil is already cooked in the pot, in the meat. Okay, so now I'm going to add my okra which is already cooked or almost cooked. So I'm going to add my okra to the pot and then of course stir properly, like stir together. So guys, I just love this process. I love how smooth or how the okra came out. This is exactly what I wanted. So guys, you see, take a look at this. Doesn't this look so good already? So that's it. The okra is in a pot. I'm going to of course add all my fish and the turkey as well, and then let it cook together with the soup. I added also a little amount of water because I don't want the okra to be too thick or too watery, so I just put it on the average. That looks already so good. So I'm going to lower it also and then leave it cooking. As you can see, I tasted it and the salt was not enough. I added a little amount of salt to it, and of course I'm going to stir again and then taste for salt if it's okay. And yes guys, after tasting it, the salt was just fine. I didn't have to add any more salt to it. So guys, of course I'm going to leave it and let it cook. Then we are almost done. This soup is just delicious, it looks good, and it is also very healthy. I hope a lot of you know that okra is very healthy. It is very good for the body. So if you don't eat okra, I recommend it for you. It is very good even for the kids as well. So guys, as you can see, that's it. My food is ready. That's how I prepare this delicious okra or okra soup you are seeing here, guys. Trust me, let me not make mad too much. It's not like I want to make mad or I'm making mad, but guys, this soup, it was really delicious. I really enjoyed it. You can see the way I was holding my head and nodding my head. It was just everything. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video from the start to the end. Please do not keep this video to yourself. Help me to share with your friends, everyone you know, and also comment, like, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will say bye for now and see you in my next video.